Alright everybody, we're at 604 South 8th Street in Grover Beach. And take a look at this 2-bedroom, 1-bath here. This is 888 square feet living space. Original plans were to continue using this as a rental, but plans have changed for the seller and they'd like to move this money into another project. So we do have some new sheetrock going up here that was covering over. They basically, for aesthetics, covered over some gas line that was there to feed what at some time, a long time ago, was a water heater. I'll show you back here off the pantry. This is what you had in the kitchen. It was a gas line like this, and they have now covered that with sheetrock in the kitchen there for aesthetic purposes. We'll come back to this area in a moment. So I'll give you one more shot of the kitchen here. See everything we've got to do here. And then here we've got our 1 bathroom. So it was also being prepped. So the whole house was being prepped to be plastered. That's why you see some patches here and there. So this was built in 1947 with the original Grover Beach homes, I'm sure. This is a little storage area here. And so here's bedroom number 1. Looks like you got your crawl space here. Light fixtures being removed. Those were going to be replaced when they were going to upgrade the rental here. Walk around here. So I should do this smoothed out for you. Here we go. Alright, so that's bedroom number 1. Go back down the hallway here. It's a short hall. And there's one more shot of the kitchen for you. So now out here is the pantry area that we just went through earlier. And we'll go to the backyard in a moment. Here is your laundry room. And it too had a gas line running in here for the dryer and the water heater. So that too was going to be covered up with some sheetrock. Again, for aesthetics, just to give it a better look. There's your water heater back there. That's the gas line running out there to it. And you have gas line in here for the washer dryer setup. Give you a shot of the room. So again, the property is being prepared for some plastering. And there was a step here. This step was being removed. It has been removed. And this takes you over to bedroom number 2. Back here. In this bedroom, essentially this area and this area counts as a bedroom. It's kind of separated off so you can have a water heater, or excuse me, your wall heater there. And so this is bedroom number 2. Now over here you have what was the original garage. Been converted, so permits unknown on this, obviously. And it too is being prepped and finished up. Alright, so now we're really going to go to what is kind of the highlight of the property, which is you've got a 7,500 square foot lot here. I've had some bids on the roof, so those have run from 7 to 13 grand. So it depends on how much you want done and what kind of roof. So the fascia there, give you a shot of its back. Darkness in there. Things are replaced back here. So the property line does run back to where the two RVs are. Walk right there. We got a nice big lot. Able to take advantage of some of the ADU opportunities in Grover Beach. Back there. And so there's an access there. And you've got another access on this side of the lot as well. I'll show you that. So there's another gate access here and a side gate there. So hopefully that gives you a good idea. Now we'll go walk the side gate here. Give you a shot of the exterior perimeter here. Property. Again, a 7,500 square foot lot. This is your access on this side. So you do have the driveway's been, the side street has access here. So obviously potential for an ADU on this one. Don't have a drone shot, but this gives you a good idea of the property line here. Exterior there.